Hey guys, today you are working on Genius Hour Day 1 Smart Goals Applied while I am conducting conferences. You click on the assignment right here. You'll notice it's numbered 1 through 9. Some of you might be wondering where is my Genius Hour at? If you think back, you've already created this, and this is where your Dreamboard is. So you're just going to hit the plus sign for a new slide, and then inside slide, go to apply format and choose this option. You're going to number it 1 to 9. Another trick that you're going to want to do, oops, is right here in our line spacing. We're going to remove the space after paragraph, and it'll bring it in tighter so everything fits. You may want to change the font size down to a lower font size as well. So maybe we turn this down to like 12 as well. And then you can answer all the questions that are here, all 9 of them. And that's what you'll be working on while we're doing conferences. Good luck.